Okay, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Maxima Aqua Fun. Maxima Aqua Fun is actually located here in Samal, which is practically one boat away from Davao City. So, there. Some of the interesting things that you can actually do and see here sa Maxima Aqua Fun are the likes ng ito, the giant slide. So galing sa taas, baba, tapos bagsak dito sa tubig. And along with that is basically itong nakikita nyo sa gilid na cliff jump. So I tried it for myself to experience how it is. Napakaganda. And in terms of fees, it's very manageable. 300 pesos for day tour. And that already includes the unlimited use of the giant slides and some of its facilities. Ngayon, nandito kami sa malaking balsa. And you know, it's practically free. And check out my background. Ganyan kaganda dito. So sobrang sulit na yung 300 day tour fee. And again, only everything. And yun, so you should visit Samal, you should visit Maxima Aqua Fun, and you should, you know, visit also Davao. And yun, until next time, we'll see you here.